Well, great to be back here in this stadium that I used to be very happy here. And second, very happy with the win, the 3 points. It's very important to start with confidence, the Yellow President, and we keep going. We will have some rest now and start to think about the next games because all the games is very short time between each game, so we need to be ready for the next ones.
Okay, so
When I left Indonesia, I didn't expect to be back here, especially play here in GBT against Persebaya, the third game. I didn't expect this, but yeah, this is football. And now I'm playing for Port FC, and you know all the games now I'm ready to play, even against Persebaya. If the coach put me to play, I'll play. I'll give my best for Port FC. But of course, I will always respect a lot of Persebaya because this is the club that opened the door here. And yeah, always grateful to Persebaya, and I wish them all the best.
okay.
Preparation you up in their place.
I think that's how I'm used to do. You know, I will make all the things in the same way. You know, Persebaya, like I said, I respect a lot because I play here for years. But the preparation will be the same, like I do for the other games.
Okay.
Against Persebaya.
Maybe you're leaving the song.